Going on, people of the YouTubers, man, Kush out here bringing you some Call of Duty Ghost gameplay. And I decided to do this gameplay because I had got the map pack last night. Well, I went and got it early, had the money, so I said, why not go get it? And yeah, the map pack is pretty sweet. It comes with the new gun called the Ripper. It's pretty beast. It can switch, and as I'm about to show you on the screen, it can switch into assault rifle mode or SMG mode, and you can tell the difference between when it plays with the assault rifle mode and SMG mode, because look, the fire rate is slower, fire rate is faster. That's pretty awesome to me. And I'm playing on Earth, which is the base mode of what was it called, Dome? Yeah, it was Dome. And I'm back in Modern Warfare 3. So yeah, it said, you know what, why not make a gameplay of it so I can show some of my people what am I talking about. And the Ripper actually puts me in mind of the MP7, really, because you know, I was like, it had the iron sights, you know, it came built in with a grip just like this one. Back in the Modern Warfare 3 MP7, and it's overpowered. Now I'm about to start playing with the assault rifle mode to give you a view of the assault rifle mode. Assault rifle mode is like for, see, it's not made for close range. It's really made for longer ranges when you engage the long range battles. That's when you bring out the assault rifle sight, and it's pretty beast. I'm telling you, like this gun is people. I bet people are gonna be complaining about it in a couple of weeks or so. But yeah, but not everybody has the map pack now, but you can still find tons of people playing on the map pack if you go search up the game. So yep, this it. Just want to upload a little something to YouTube, you know, just to have something, because I haven't had upload in forever, and I wanted to do something, you know, like I better, like, where's Kush High, where's his gameplay. So I decided to bring out some Call of Duty. Only reason why I'm bringing out Call of Duty because I'm trying to get my skills back, and I'm trying to get the Ripper Ghost. So I said, why not bring out the old camera and make a little video for you guys. Oh yeah, shouts out to my man Kush High for inspiring me to make some more gameplay. You know what I'm saying? I had to get back on the trap, and plus he wanted to see what the Ripper looks like, so you know, I'm showing it off to you right now, cause I got killed by my own IMS, but it's okay though. Shoot. But yeah, that's it. Game's about pretty much over, so I'm about to be done with the commentary, just to let you guys know that oh shit, I'm back, you know. Oh yeah, if you guys wondering what I'm going right now I'm 27-6. Could have got the Chem Strike, but I forgot like a dumbass to put Scavenger on the class setup, so that's why I messed up here. Yeah, I didn't have the Scavenger, and I always run with Scavenger. And if you guys wondering how many squad points I got like 306 squad points. I save up every squad point I have. There's no use for them. I think I'm pretty good with every gun I can use, except for snipers. I don't use snipers at all. I can use it without attachments and things like that, so I wouldn't need to buy it like that. But if I really want an attachment, I would only two attachments I would buy would be the suppressor and extended mags and grip. In some cases, for like those really jumping guns, this gun wouldn't need grip that much, because you know it's pretty okay. I put the IMS down here, but yeah, this gun is excellent. You know, I'm enjoying the map pack so far. You can expect some more Call of Duty Ghost gameplay from me in the future. You know, I love this SMG. I'm getting the hang of it. I'm getting used to it, because SMG is like my favorite. It's my favorite use of weapons. So I'm used to the SMGs more. So just gonna start getting used to me playing with the SMGs. Forget the assault rifle. You know, I mean, while using the assault rifle, well, this has a built-in assault rifle. That's why I like just got me a quick double kill. So yeah, man, overall this is a pretty excellent gun. Like again, I said, shout out to my man Kush High. We should keep do some gameplay with him. We can make some co-op videos, and then that'll be awesome. But yeah, like I said, man, this game is narrowing down. I'm currently 41-9 right now, and this game about to be over in 2 more kills. Let's see if I can get the game winning kill. Let's see. Let's go. So yeah, let's go. But like I said, man, I'm back with the Call of Duty gameplay. Excellent. I'm back, you guys. Look at this. Just killed him through the wall. Alright, man, that's it. Peace out. You know, you see the name, BC Bubba.